Hey baby, আমি Huggies. Susu time. ভাল হৈছে যে তুমি পিন্ধি আছা ইণ্ডিয়াছ ফাষ্টেষ্ট এবজৰ্বিং ডাইপাৰ নতুন এক্স চেনেলৰ সৈতে যি অন্য ডাইপাৰতকৈ খুহে বেছি বেগেতে গতিকে তোমাৰ স্কিন হৈ ৰয় একদম ড্ৰাই Huggies, India's fastest absorbing diaper.
After deciding to contest as independent from Mawlai, Teibor Pathaw NDC on Monday withdrew support to the KHADC Executive Committee EC. He handed over his resignation letter to the KHADC CM Pinayat Siam. Earlier, after announcing to contest as independent, he sent his resignation letter to the NPP leadership.
Can you tell us about today's development?
Today's development is that on the 4th of, that was on Saturday, there was a meeting in which my supporter and people of Mawlai was there, in which they have urged me to go as an independent candidate. They told me to leave the party and to fight as an independent candidate from Mawlai constituency. So today I have come to meet CM to submit my resignation as an executive member and to withdraw my support from the EC. That is what I have done, and then I have sent a letter to the president of the NPP Meghalaya unit also, that I have resigned as the president of Shillong City and media in charge of Meghalaya.
So what made you to leave the party? Because you have been there for quite some time. So what made you to leave?
As of now, what I can say is that the voice of the people is above all. So what I have decided that day when I saw my supporter people of Mawlai, they want me to fight as an independent candidate, so I have taken the decision to do that. Regarding other, I will talk to you after some time when I will be holding a special conference for this.
That means the people of Mawlai dislike NPP.
It's not done as of now. If you can see the voice of people, they want me to fight as independent, so I'm going with what they are asking me to do that.
Okay, what also regarding this coming out of the EC, what made you to decide at the last moment?
You see, it's not that I've decided last moment. Now, as I have already told you that the people has told me to fight as independent candidate, so I have to leave everything, which is what I am there in the EC. So now, since I'm in the EC, which is led by the party, since I have resigned as a member of the party, so I have to resign as an EM of the party also.
So with this development, you hope that you may win the seat, Mawlai?
That depends on the will of the people. I'm leaving it to the wisdom of the people. Let us see what people of Mawlai decide. I'm willing, if they elected me again as a member of district council, I will serve them as I have served all these 5 years.